Hello from Gonzaga. I am excited to share with you what makes Gonzaga a distinctive, community-oriented, and a great value university for your students, and how we're here to answer questions and assist you as you need. Please use gonzaga.edu/hscounselors for admission information tailored for you. Gonzaga is a private liberal arts university in the Jesuit tradition. We have great strengths academically and a strong support network of resources for our students. GU is a top 21% nationally ranked university that educates students from many different faiths and backgrounds for lives of leadership and service for the common good. Located just across the river from downtown Spokane, our proximity is great for internships, jobs, social outings, and more. Students also have free access to the city bus system. With just around 5,000 undergraduate students who hail from almost all 50 states and 40 countries, it's a medium-sized school offering over 75 different majors and programs in 5 colleges. With an average class size of 23 and a student-to-faculty ratio of 11:1, students will get to know their faculty. We have several new programs this year, including those listed here. For admission, first-year students use the Common Application. The application deadline for first-year students is December 1st. Our transfer application can be found at gonzaga.edu/transfer app. For students applying for the ACT-6 scholarship, they now use Common App to apply, and the deadline for ACT-6 is November 2nd. Additionally, Gonzaga is test optional indefinitely for all majors, including our direct entry program in nursing and engineering. Students do not need to submit an SAT or ACT for admission, scholarships, or any of our application-based programs like honors. We encourage students with at or below a 3.2 GPA to have an admission interview. We accept Running Start and college in the high school credits, as well as AP and IB and Cambridge credit by exam. We have test optional and COVID-19 admission FAQs that address questions that may apply to students during this time. Gonzaga is currently offering in-person classes and activities on campus for students. Gonzaga also has a vaccination requirement for all students, staff, and faculty. Learn more at gonzaga.edu/sagon. We strive to work with students and families to make Gonzaga affordable through scholarships, strategic initiatives, and financial aid. 99.5% of Gonzaga students receive scholarships and/or grants that are guaranteed for all 4 years to help them afford Gonzaga. I want to highlight some of them that may be especially important to your students, such as the Gonzaga Leaders Scholarship, the Martin Native American Scholarship, and the ACT-6 Leadership Scholarship, a full tuition, full need scholarship that I mentioned previously. In addition to applying for scholarships, we encourage all students to file the FAFSA or WASFA for additional funding. Many students who receive free or reduced lunch are eligible for the federal Pell Grants. And at GU, students who are eligible for Pell, Gonzaga promises to cover tuition and with scholarships and grants only, no loans, through our modest commitment. Students can receive loans, work study, and other scholarships to help cover other costs such as housing, meals, books, living expenses, etc. With a 92% retention rate and 3-year average 91% success rate, we strive to provide students support and resources so students are able to find success and thrive during their time at GU and beyond. Our Unity Multicultural Education Center, also known as UMEC, and the Lincoln LGBTQ+ Resource Center, which have 2 pillars, education and celebration. They are here to ensure that all students feel welcome and supported on our campus, whoever they are and however they identify. We offer our pre-orientation program for first-generation students and BIPOC students, as well as our first peer mentoring program that continues during the academic year. The first-year experience program and the transfer veteran and returning adult services support our students in their transition to college life. The Center for Student Academic Success assists students by providing everything from general academic advising, providing accommodations to students with learning differences, and assisting students in developing learning strategies. As we all embark on another historic year, we look forward to working with you and your students. We will be both traveling to high schools and college fairs, as well as arranging virtual information sessions or other resources for your students. We will also have in-person visit options on campus. Please reach out to your counselor for your school. You can find your admission counselor at gonzaga.edu/mycounselor if you'd like to schedule a presentation for your school or have an individual meeting. We really look forward to working with you. Thanks, and go Zags.